and welcome back to Ashley Life. Oh my gosh, I have the best sharing is caring tip for you ever. It like totally blew my mind when I heard it, and I don't know why I didn't think of it. So thank you, Kelly, for bringing it up because you used this tip, and thank you, Lori, because you told Kelly about it because this is what you do and she used, and it worked. So you know those apps that we have on our phone that help us save money? Pretty much they help us save like 50% on things that we're going to do, activities that we're going to do, whether it's a restaurant or some kind of, concert or something like that. Well, I have the best tip to tell you. So I was doing a little bit of research, and these companies, apps that we have on our phone, they help out businesses to try to get them noticed if they're new, or maybe they're having like a slow period in their business, so they're trying to drive people in. Well, the two companies I'm talking about that help people come into these different places, they take up to 50%. Most of the time they take 50%. Sometimes maybe they take a little bit less, but honestly, they can take up to 50% of their profit. So if you think about it, these places are already cutting their, normal costs in half, let's say. So say that something's normally $100. Well, now it's $50 for you to buy and you to get a good deal on, which is great. But now the company's only going to make like $25 because the other company that's helping them out, these other two companies, is getting $25. So it's like it works to get people in, but at the same time, the company is losing money and these two companies are just getting money. You know what I'm saying? So here is my awesome tip. Before you buy these coupons, you should call the business first and say, hey, I see that you're offering these coupons. Would you honor the coupon if I didn't buy it and I came in? So for example, my friend is moving and she needed to hire a moving company, and she found a moving company that was going to have these coupons. So she had heard from my friend Lori, because she's been doing it for a while. She'll call up and be like, hey, will you honor this? And most of the times they say yes, because instead of losing like 75% of what they would normally be making, they're only losing 50%. Does that make sense? Because the other 25 is not going over here to these two apps that I've been talking about. It's gonna go back into the business, which, who wouldn't want to do that if you think about it? So if a company is offering these deals, chances are they want your business, but they'll totally love to take back their other 25%. So what can it hurt to give a little jingle jangle and say, hey, will you honor what these other apps are selling your product for? I just thought that was like brilliant. My mind was like blown when I heard this, and I was like, that is such a good idea, because you know what? You never know unless you ask, and it doesn't hurt to ask. So I hope this tip comes in handy in the future. And if you're like me, your mind is totally blown right now and you're like, why have I never thought of this? So I hope you're able to use this in the future. Let me know if you actually do this idea already, or if your mind was blown like mine. Let me know in the comments below. I gotta know. And remember, sharing is caring. So make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Sorry if you heard some noises like that. There's just the puppy. And just know that it's the puppy. And who doesn't love the puppy? You see that moving? She's chewing on my curtain. I can't have her chewing on my curtain. Sadie! I have a wicker basket of scarves. She's now chewing on the wicker basket of scarves. Safe to say she's a puppy. I just think this is like the best idea ever. Like, I was sitting there listening to her tell me what she was doing, and I was like, why have I never thought of that? That's so crazy. Did you see my eyeshadow today? Hashtag Year of Glitter still going on. I just thought it was super fun. Yay, Year of Glitter. Sadie. Oh, you want to play? You want to play? Okay, we'll play.